All right, I want to do a video of my radon mitigation system. This mitigation system, we had our radon tested and it came back at a 7.2 level, which I was told anything above a 4.0 you want to go ahead and get remediated. Okay, so whenever they install it, basically it is a 3-inch pipe. Back up. That goes down to the floor. And from what I know, they drilled a 3-inch hole in the ground, and then they dug out a pit underneath of there, basically a place for the air to be sucked into. And then what they did is they sealed it with this. It feels like silicone to me. And then also what they did is on my sump pump, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a clear plexiglass around here, and they sealed the sump pump up. So this was just a pit. I didn't actually have a pump in there, so I don't know if that would make a difference. And then along the wall here, you'll see this is also siliconed, and it goes all the way from that edge all the way down the line for this side of the basement. And then the other thing coming up, so basically the pipe goes up and then it vents outside here. And what also, while I'm down here, what you'll notice, see there is a white electrical wire there. That is for the fan that's outside, and I'm going to show you some video of that. And that's tied directly into, he tied it into my electric for my furnace. So, not a breaker I plan on turning off anytime soon. Okay, so wide angle shot. You can see here that's the whole system. Alright, I'll come back, I'll show you the outside. Okay, so I am outside now, and this is the pipe as it came in from the basement. We saw it being routed out. And then this here is a fan. The fan is basically sucking air from the basement, and it's being vented here. So that's basically it. I don't have any windows or anything on this side of the house, so they told me a short stack would be fine. I know typically they would be vented up along the side of the house and then up over the roof there, but since I could get away with the short stack, I went ahead and had them do that. And that's it. Oh, there's an on and off switch here. It's tied in. If I want to shut it off, I can shut it off. It is, I wouldn't say it's noisy, but it does sound basically like a vent that would be running from like your microwave or something like that. Alright, that's it. Hope this helps. What to expect whenever you get a radon mitigation system installed.